Hi, this is PT-180 and ES3 function, torch, hot blow, and soldering. And first, let me show you how to use torch. Put this back on. Turn the switch to the right and the gas switch to the right. Press the seal lock. Then press the button. Then you have torch. Okay, to turn it off, just press this one right here. Okay. Then second is the hot blow. Let me take the tip off and put this back on at this, and turn the switch on. Press the seal lock. Okay. Then when you see the burn turn red, it is ready to use. To turn it off, just press this. Okay. And the last, just put the tip back on and turn the power to the right. Turn the seal lock and press it. Then it is ready to use. To turn off, like this. Okay.